Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to deploy your Node.js server to Vercel. So for you to do this, all you need to do is create a new file called vercel.json and then add this into it. Just copy it and paste it right here. So this is it. I'll leave it in the description down below so you can take a look at it. So now what you need to do is you need to go to your browser and then go to GitHub, create a new repo. I'll call this deploy vercel node deploy Node.js vercel, just a funny name, but yeah. So create repository, and then now I'm just going to do this, copy this. Let's make sure it's copied, and then go back to VS Code, and here I'll just git init, git add, then I paste this here, then okay. Oh yeah, I should have done git commit first commit, and then git push origin main. So this should work now. Alright, so we're done with VS Code. Let's go back to our browser, and now we can just reload page on our GitHub. So we'll see that the changes have been made. First commit. So we can just head to our Vercel and click on add new project, and then here can just still loading. So we can see the new project we just deployed to GitHub, deploy Node.js Vercel. Just click import, and then here you can add any environment variables. Let's see here. In our VS Code, we added index.js file, port. We can just add a port 3000 in our browser, port 8000. You don't necessarily need to do this. It will still work without doing this. But this is just to show you how you can add environment variables to Vercel when you're deploying your project. So right now I'll just click deploy. So it's deploying, it's building. Right now we just have to wait a bit. Okay, it has been deployed successfully. It's still loading. All right, so we can see a preview. Click on it. So it's loading. My internet is kind of slow today. Bear with me. So it's loading. So let's refresh. Okay, so now we can see Express server working. And if we go back to our VS Code, let's see, you're going to see here we have the home route, Express server working, and then we have the about. So let's test the about. It's in JSON format. So let's go back to our browser, and then we can just click type about, and then we can see it's working perfectly. So this is how you can easily deploy your Node.js server to Vercel without any errors. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.